Eliminex here. I'm about done with this job. It's been about 3 weeks and no more activities being reported for about a couple weeks. Well, about a week. And I caught about 8 squirrels so far. So I'm ready to take the traps off the roof. Haven't had any activity on this top portion. On the secondary portion, I did. I caught 2 squirrels on the gutter on the lower portion. And then over here, as we suspect, a hole. You can see the drip edge. I can get this right. You can see like the hole here. So I'm gonna patch that up, and then I think we'll be done with this job. And he'll be under warranty for another couple months. And I think he'll be fine. They pruned away the trees, but that's not going to stop them. They'll just jump off this tree onto the roof. That's a brand new roof, and everything looks pretty good. So who's to say if that's the actual hole? But the squirrels can definitely get through there. So I'm gonna patch that up. I have all the materials already up here, ready to go. Oh, that's a shame. Brand new roof, and it's already got some damage. Go figure. So I got my wire and drill and the pocket full of screws and washers. And we're gonna button up this corner. We'll be fine. And then also in the crawl space, I did him a favor. In the crawl space, there was some extra stuff I had to do that wasn't part of my original quote. So I had to go in this wet crawl space, all wet, and cap off the sill. It was open. It was open to the outside where cats can get in. And I'm like, son of a gun. So I came in here and I got really dirty. But now he's pest free. If he gets anything, it's gonna be mice. But possibly what I did in the crawl space will probably prevent that from happening. So maybe he'll call me for ants. Something. Call me for something later down the road.